Good morning. I'm happy you're here. Today we'll take 10 minutes to settle into your body, soften your breath, and begin the day with clarity and stillness. This short meditation is inspired by the gentle rhythm of the ocean at sunrise. We'll quiet the mind, scan through the body, and allow the early light to bring warmth and balance. This practice is safe for most people. If you feel dizzy, uncomfortable, or emotionally overwhelmed at any point, please pause the meditation and return when you feel ready. Find a comfortable seated position. Let your spine lengthen gently. Rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes or soften your gaze toward the ground. Begin to notice your breath. No need to change it. Just observe the soft rise and fall. Let the morning air feel cool as it enters and warm as it leaves. With each exhale, release a bit of yesterday. With each inhale, welcome a new beginning. Allow the ocean-like rhythm of your breath to settle into its natural pace. Breath of fire, or Kapalabhati, is a rapid and rhythmic breathing technique. The exhale is active, powered by your abdominal wall. The inhale happens naturally and passively. The pace is steady and controlled, never forced. This practice increases energy, clears the lungs, and stimulates your nervous system, perfect for the early morning. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Now, inhale halfway and begin quick, sharp exhales through the nose by snapping the belly inward. Notice how the inhale happens automatically between each exhale. Imagine the effort coming from your core, not your chest, not your throat. Let's begin round one. Inhale halfway and start doing quick exhales. stay with that quick rhythm. Let the belly do the work. A little more. Keep quick pace. And stop. Take a deep inhale. And slow exhale. Allow your breath to return to normal. Feel the warmth spreading through your center. Stay soft, grounded. Let's begin round 2. Inhale halfway and begin doing as many quick exhales as you can. Keep the movement in the abdomen. Your breath is steady and contained. Stay focused. Last few quick breaths. And release. Take a slow, deep inhale. And let it go. Let your breath settle naturally. Notice the clarity, the warmth, and the subtle awakening inside you. Feel the quiet strength of the morning. Thank you for practicing with me at sunrise. I hope this energy supports you through your day. If this session helped you, feel free to subscribe for more morning meditations.